Chief Waja.
Yes.
We don't see for some time now. We don't discuss some issues. I understand. Say you based in Ghana as Nigerian businessman in Ghana. Now recently we saw something that looked like xenophobia. Where they happen? Where would they always see for South Africa? Recently we begin seeing them in Ghana. Where we say people even begin go in the street, they protest, say Nigeria must go. Not true?
Okay. I think it was half truth and half real.
No. What I mean by truth is, if really Ghana people protested, go into the street to protest, say Nigeria must go. You can see that one for social media. I see for live for Facebook. It means that true.
Anything you did not see on Ghana national television is not truth. You can see it on Facebook. People can go inside the bush and organize something and put on social media.
But this one way we see that protest of or the clamor protest say Nigeria must go. What do you think inspired that?
It's not real.
No,
It's not a real something. Yes.
So you know what happened, huh?
Since you can confirm it real, when you see it in Ghana national television, that is the only time you can confirm that something is real.
Okay.
But see it on social media. I can easily go inside my room in Dubai here or one corner in Dubai and conduct protests. But you didn't see it in the Dubai national television. But you can see it on social media. So it's not real.
Okay, let's assume you know.
But we have a little issue in Ghana concerning the land.
Nadia one come now. Again, we saw one Igbo chief, one issue, one controversy about one Igbo chief. We saw the SND Igbo for Ghana. He want build kingdom for Ghana. That man really talk like that. Say one build kingdom.
He did not say something like that, but he made a comment maybe in 2013.
You know this man well?
Yeah, I know him. I know him very well.
So he's truly an Igbo leader in Ghana.
Yeah, he says Igbo in Ghana. He made a comment in 2013, not in 2025, because when
2013.
Yes,
that's long time ago.
That comment was made in 2013, not in 2025.
So how come did the video come up now?
Yeah, because of social media crisis. So a lot of people pop the video up and use it against him.
And since that 2013, the man never built the kingdom.
No, he did not do anything. There is nothing like Igbo kingdom in Ghana. It was a statement made by the Igbo king in 2013.
Okay, he just not talk like that, just as a cruise. Just like a cruise, he just catch cruise, like you know, as somebody who get too much inspiration, ambition.
He was giving them the idea, something they can do in order to stop maybe the Ghanaian traders trying to stop the Nigerians from doing their business. Okay, let us have something like this as Nigerians.
Okay, now I get it. So just like
suggestion, it was a suggestion.
Just like recently we even saw in Japan, even though they never do this now. We saw in Japan where their government even they try to map out some area for Nigeria and say they can take that area, take over that area and do their business. Even during Gaddafi in Libya, it happened. It happened during Gaddafi when he gave us some area. Say since these people are very enterprising, they are good in business. You can do your marketing here, do your shops, plaza, all those kind of things.
The rest of things following the video na fabric. You know, you see social media.
Maybe it's politically motivated also.
I'm not sure.
Politics not there.
There's no politics there. But
anything like hatred, maybe Igbo. I mean, Ghana.
Definitely. You see, I can't tell you that Ghanaians hate Nigerians, and I can't tell you that Ghanaians hate Igbos. Naturally, human beings are racist. You see, in Nigeria, you can see someone and call that person a Abakaliki man. Or an Igbo man. You call someone and then this is an Anambra man, this is a Imo. Onye Enugu, Onye Abakaliki.
Igbo person or Igbo person, they see themselves as more Igbo than Abakaliki people. You know,
even to family, people will be dragging because you are Diopala. It's a racist. Addressing someone as a Diopala or last born or whatever. It's a racist. So it's natural. It's naturally human. Nigerians have it, Ghanaians have it. Definitely,
from Uganda, from Kenya,
you can't expect all the Ghanaians to love you as a Nigerian. You are in their country.
Because even themselves, among themselves, they don't like themselves against different tribes.
So I'm not seeing it as a bad something. I see it as something, as a natural something.
Okay, when they do business for Ghana, are you facing some challenges? Like Ghana have government policy that prevents foreigners from doing retail?
Yeah, you face challenges anywhere you are doing business in the world. Even in Dubai here, people face challenges. In Ghana, they were facing challenges. You know, mostly in Ghana, renting shop is very expensive. When you think about using 70 million naira to go and rent a shop in Ghana, you can use it to go to Nigeria and buy goods and supply. That's why most Nigerians doing cosmetics, they are doing supply. But the ones doing the electrical, they have shops, they can go to China and import. The ones doing phone accessories at Seco, they can go to China. Most of them have a container, not full shop, container where they are selling their business. You face challenges, you pay tax, you pay tariff, all those things, you need to face it. Before the government will allow you to open your shop and sell, government must be making something from you.
So Nigerians in Ghana as foreigners, they are doing their business normally, conclusively, no wahala.
Yeah, you do your business normally.
What kind of goods can you suggest that like 5 goods, more major 5 goods that are selling more in Ghana as foreigners so you can make money?
You know, Ghana is like Nigeria, just that the population is not like Nigerian population. But in Ghana, you can sell phone accessories, electrical, cosmetics, toiletries. You know, even car business is moving in Ghana also. When you have money, you can do that one also. Because Ghana business is like Nigerian business, but the difference is the population.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Welcome to Dubai. Welcome to Dubai. More, waja. Safe trip as you return home.